So guys, let's back to our project here. So I think the last time we stopped here, right? So the last time we are trying to save and trying to reload, nothing has changed there. So I think uh, if you close your your browser your browser, right, and you lost your local host, how you can open that? So that's the thing I want to do right now here, right? How you can open your local host once again. So in order to do that, just write cd as we did the first time, cd dash, right, okay, cd dash second time, now here cd python, right, python, sorry guys, cd space python, cd, good, okay, and here cd space python, here we are, right. I think it seemed like the first time. Let's clear uh, uh, let's clear our screen, cls dash, right now here we're trying to open also our flask, cd space flask, good, flask apps, yes, flask app, okay. Now here python space app py, yes, here we are guys. So right now here we're back, right. So to open uh, our local host, what we can do, so as the first time we did, just copy this, right, copy, control c, and open chrome. Let's open our chrome here, right, here it is. Let's maximize localhost, enter, here it is guys, yes. Now here our chrome is it's back all the files, all things we did. So as I said the first time here, we're missing something here, alright. So let's back here. Here in title here we want to change this name here to be flask, right, flask app, apps project pro project, good, save, control s, good. So let's back open here. Now here guys, what I need to do here is uh, because here I need to do, I want to make a template here, right, and here let's clear this one, render underscore template, right, template html, no, home, yes, home dot html, right, and top here render, here is, just sit down here, good. In here what we need to do here is need to change this to be home, right, to be home. Let's save, control s, let's back here, right, as a type, right, instead of every single time you, right, you back here and also type control plus C, right, in top in in uh, in head in head top there. Instead of doing that, right, we can do it. We can create something here. We can add something here inside the app here. We can do something, write something here, right, to save automatically. So we need to debug to be true, right, to be true and save. Right now here guys, we now here guys, now here we want to open we want to make our debug here to be on instead of off. So control plus C up, control C, type there, and then python in app dash py, enter. Here we are guys. Now here we make our debug to be on, right, and also debugger is active, right, debugger is active, right. Every time when you save, right, you don't need to come back here and also and also press control plus C, right. Let's see there, reload, right, reload, right, while reload is still let's back here to do something. Let's back here, right, let's hit control plus up there, okay, control plus up, plus up, good. Let's reload here. So right now here it's a template not fine yet. Yes, home HTML not fine. Why? Because here uh, uh, we didn't add here our home here, right. Let's home maybe home, control C, save, control S, right, python app py, enter. Let's back here, reload, yeah. So let's back here also here, try, good, everything is right here guys, right, everything is good here. Let's back here, right. I'm trying to figure out what's something I didn't do here, right. uh, py python dash up dash y, enter. Same thing. Let's back here to see what we miss here. Good. So our render is good here, right. I think everything is fine here, but I'm trying to figure out, let's make a space here, space here, reload, right, reload here guy. So something missing here. So right now here I'm trying to figure out, yeah, good. So let's back our layout here. So everything is so clear here. Everything is so clear here, right? What actually I miss here? So I'm trying here. Let's clear here. CLS, right? Python, app.py, enter, right? Let's try there. Good. Reload. Good. It's here. Home is not fine. Good. Same problem here. So home is not fine. How? Let's back here. Let's save our home. Control S. Save it there. Okay. Let's back here. Also reload. So we still have some problem here. The body and look. Maybe I don't need this one. Maybe keep it. Save this one here. I'm trying to figure out. Good. Same thing here. Good. Next time, layout HTML. Everything looks fine here, guy. Right, our home here. Good. Extend. Good. Hello. Hello, home. Reload. The mouse has changed. Good. Trying to figure this something here. Home is here. Everything is fine here. Good. Render. Template. Home. Root. HTML. Save. Yes, it's active. Good. Control C top. Control C top. Python as usual. Python app dash py, enter. Yeah. Okay. Let me try to do something here. Okay. So here inside this template here, I want to create another folder, right? Called ink, right? Inks, ink, enter. Inside this ink here, we want to create a navbar, right? Navbar dash html. Good. Inside this navbar here, right? So here, guy, go to the website called Bootstrap, right? Bootstrap, get Bootstrap there, right? Because in here uh, we can copy some files here. And also go to the website called Bootstrap CDN, right? Bootstrap CDN. In Bootstrap CDN, just we need to copy this CSS. Copy this, right? Then go to the layout here and top here LC link link CSS, right? Link CSS is here. Alright, link is here. Here it is. And now paste it here. Right? Paste it here. Good. And also we want to also copy JavaScript. Copy this one here also. And back here. Right? JavaScript here and paste it here and save. Right? And save. Then let's back our website here. Reload. Nothing also has changed here. Right? So right now here, let's go navbar here. Inside this navbar here, right? Inside this navbar here, who want to copy some template here, right? Want to copy navbar, right? I'm going to copy this navbar, copy navbar, called navbar fix it, right? Copy this navbar, fix it here, and click here, resource. Okay, you can resource here, view page resource here, and copy navbar. Want to copy this navbar here, all this navbar here, right? Control C, copy them, and back to your navbar here, and paste them here, right? In Control S to save. Alright, so guys, see you in next video. So hello guys, I'm sorry, something missing here. Alright.